Hello viewers, how are you today? I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we'll be talking about how you can construct your fish pond. Today we went to a particular farm which is one of our subscribers, and we constructed a fish pond for this particular person, and we went there to check and see how the fish has been doing. Well, so far so good. The fish has been doing very okay. So in case if you have something like this, or in case you want to start with a fish pond, today is an opportunity for you. Or maybe if you are new in this channel and you haven't hit the notification bell yet, please do it and hit the notification bell to be notified when there's to drop a new videos for you guys. Like in this particular channel, we talked about livestock generally, starting from goat to pig to fish to snail and to poultry bed. So whichever one that you want to go into of your choice, you can contact us and we'll be of consultance to you. And not only that, we talked about livestock, we talked about plants also, like cassava, the maize, and some other things that are present or that are needed, or that the most common thing that people would demand in Nigeria. So today, like I said, we are talking about fish pond, how you can construct your fish pond. It's quite easy. If you want to start off a fish pond, what are the what are the list of things, or what are things that will be running through your mind? First thing is your locations, your land. The place that you get your land matters a lot. And fish love where there is excess water, where there is water, to construct this particular pond for them. So you get a waterlogged area or a land closer to stream or any river to construct your fish pond. You can construct any type of fish pond of your choice, and things are improving now, so there are different ways to construct your fish pond. This particular one, we did it for this particular man, and even this particular fish pond, the man is not even in Nigeria, but still yet we are managing this farm until he comes back to Nigeria. So fish pond is a lucrative, fish itself is a lucrative business, and it's the type of business people are going into it, and at the end of the day they are making more profit from it. So please, what are you waiting for? If you haven't started your home fish pond yet, start it up, construct your fish pond, stock your fish inside, and get started with the business. It's a lucrative business and it's a simple thing to do. If you have the capital that you can do it, you just need to construct your fish pond, buy your fish, stock your fish inside, and start giving them a quality feed for them to grow very fast. And I would advise, if you want to go for fish farming, you can go for the hybrid. You don't know why? Because the hybrid we actually grow fast more than the Clara catfish. But if you didn't have the money to go with the hybrid, you can go for the Clara catfish, and at the end of the day you are going to have your result and you do very well. The difference between the hybrid and the Clara catfish is that when you are raising the boat, make sure that if you construct your fish pond, make sure that there is excess water in that particular fish pond for the hybrid. But the Clara catfish can still maintain the level of water that is in that particular fish pond. And if you want to construct your fish pond, what are the things that I need to know? You must know the wideness of the fish pond, and you must know the feet of the fish pond. For hybrid, if you want to stock hybrid in that particular fish pond, then the feet must be 3 to 4 feet. If you are digging the fish pond, for 3 to 4 feet. But while for Claras can be 2 to 3. Yes, they can still manage that, so that there will be excess water in the particular one for your hybrid, and there will be water for your Clara catfish also. So in one of these days, I'm trying to create a video training. A video training of how you can construct your fish pond, starting from the step 1, everything that you need to know about it during the time that people are constructing it until they'll finish it. I'm going to do that video training, and that video training will be sold around 2,990 naira. There is nothing less and there's nothing more to that. So I will be doing that video training, and I'll be dropping it very soon. I'll do that video training starting from the step. So I will do it step-by-step guide for beginners and for people that actually enters into this particular business also, and they want to learn more about fish. So I'll be dropping that video training, like I said, very soon, and you guys are going to watch it. If you love it, buy the course and watch the videos, you get the full details about how you can do your fish pond, how you can stock your fish pond, and the month that your fish will reach maturity state, how you can sell them, and the appropriate treatment that you can give to your fish. I'll be dropping that video very soon. So today, like I said, we went to the farm and the farm is going well. So you need to learn how to do all this business. You might you might not base in Nigeria currently right now, but you can still start up your fish farm in Nigeria. And you can even do it another elsewhere if you want to. If you don't want to do it in Nigeria, you can do it in the place that you are. So, but one thing that I want you guys to know is to engage yourself in any agricultural business of your choice. So, and one of the lucrative business in agriculture is the fish that I'm talking about here is very lucrative. So right now you are going to see that fish pond that I'll be showing right now. You guys can see that particular fish pond that is just showing. I went there today. That particular fish pond, in one of the one of the ponds, we have over 5,000 fishes inside. 5,000 fishes inside. And that particular fish, they are hybrid. So you can do something like that. And that particular fish pond is for one of our subscribers. Like I said, it's not in Nigeria, but still yet we are still managing that farm for him. We have up to like 6 fish pond in that particular area. 6 fish pond that we are managing for this particular person. In any business, trust is one of the basic things. Since that person trusts us and we are giving the best information, the farm is doing well. So please, what are you waiting for? Start with your fish pond in any way, in any area, in any amount that you have. Just make sure that you start up your own and manage it. It determines on the management. If you manage your fish pond very well, you are still going to make money from it. So I decided to share these little videos with you guys, and I hope that if you guys start with your fish pond, you will love it. And not only fish pond, we talked about goat also, and we have a project that we are running concerning goat for people that want to invest into goat farming, or that have a low capital and they are thinking of buying goat real. They can still buy their goat and keep in a particular farm. We have a goat farm that we are doing right now. You can keep it there. You read our terms and conditions and your goat will be safe for you. So that was the reason why I decided to share this video, and like I said, I'll be dropping my video training very soon. Most of the things I'll be talking about, number one is the fish. Number one will be the fish pond that you start your own fish business, and number two of it will be cassava. Number three of it will be based on maize. So, and your goat farming also. So those are the things I'll be talking about, and the last one is your snail. Snail is one of the lucrative business in agriculture also that people are going into, that is trading, and people are doing it. So those are the things that I'll be doing the video training. Like I said, I'll be dropping it very soon for whichever person that have interest in buying that particular video training. The price is 2,990 naira, nothing less and nothing more. So I'll be dropping it very soon. So that was what I decided to share with you guys today. Please, if you haven't hit the notification bell yet, please, what are you waiting for? Hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up if you think that this video is helpful and is informative enough for you. Please give me a thumbs up, like these videos and share. Bye for now.